Welcome to Little Greene Paint, where innovation meets elegance. Our groundbreaking formulations redefine the way we decorate, offering unparalleled quality and versatility. At Little Greene, we're committed to sustainability. Our paints are environmentally friendly, and we're proud to partner with the National Trust to preserve our heritage while beautifying homes. Introducing our intelligent paint finishes, featuring our revolutionary Intelligent Grip TM technology. With primer and top coat combined in a single tin, decorating has never been easier. Our intelligent paint finishes adhere securely to almost any surface in the home, eliminating the need for a separate primer. From wood to metal, plaster to tiles, achieve a flawless finish with ease. With every color in the Little Greene palette available, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're painting walls, ceilings, floors, or doors, our intelligent paints bring vibrant color to every corner of your home. Join countless homeowners, designers, and decorators who trust Little Greene Paint for its durability, ease of application, and stunning finish. Transform your space today with Little Greene Paint, where every brushstroke tells a story. Ready to elevate your home with Little Greene Paint? Click the link below to explore our range of colors and finishes and start your transformation today.